Hey there, welcome to this tutorial where I'll show you how to easily change the category of your Facebook page. If you're using the new Facebook page experience, then this video is definitely for you. First things first, you need to switch to your Facebook page. You can check whether you've switched by looking at the profile icon in the top right corner. Make sure it's the same as the one shown here. If not, simply click on See All Profiles and select the Facebook page you want to use. Once you're on your Facebook page, click on the Edit section, then scroll down until you find Edit Your Profile Info button. Please click on it. Now you'll be able to see the current category of your page. It's worth noting that you can only choose one category for your Facebook page now, unlike before where you could select up to 3. So make sure you choose the one that's most relevant to your business, nonprofit, or any other kind of page you're running. To change the category, click on the pencil icon and select a category from the list. Choosing the right category is not only important for your Facebook page's visibility but also for its searchability. By selecting the most relevant category, you increase the chances of showing up when people search for businesses like yours on Facebook. Once you're happy with your new category, click on Save, and that's it. Your Facebook page's category will be updated and ready to go. So what are you waiting for? Give it a go and see the difference it makes.